Islamabad's first mayor, Sheikh Ansar Aziz, resigned on 1st October 2020. He resigned 5 months before his 5-year tenure. 5th October is celebrated as World Teachers' Day. It is celebrated every year on 5th October since 1994. The theme of World Teachers' Day 2020 is Teachers Leading in Crisis, Reimagining the Future. According to the recent study conducted by Dow University of Health Sciences, based on data collected from 2010 to 2019, reveals that most of the cancer cases, around 60%, were diagnosed in women as compared to men. The survey indicates that every year around 148,000 new cancer cases are reported in Pakistan. According to Pink Ribbon survey, more than 40,000 women die of breast cancer in Pakistan every year. Prime Minister Imran Khan recommends the 40 Rules of Love book. It is written by Elif Shafak. This book is written by a Turkish author, Shafak, and it was published in March 2009. It revolves around a love between Maulana Jalaluddin, popularly known as Rumi, and his companion Shams Tabrizi. This book reveals how Shams transformed a scholar into a Sufi through love. Trade deficit expands to $5.8 billion during July to September 2020. Trade deficit expanded due to surge in imports and contraction in exports. Despite 39% currency devaluation, there is no significant improvement in exports. President Dr. Arif Alvi on September 1 promulgated the ordinance for establishing Pakistan Islands Development Authority for development and management of islands in internal and territorial waters for Pakistan. This ordinance was received with shock in Sindh, with regional newspaper carrying its news as their lead stories and number of political leaders condemning the move and calling it an attempt to encroach on Sindh's lands. Afghan batsman Najib Turkai dies following road accident on 6th October 2020. He was Afghanistan's top order batsman and was 29 years old only. Turkai made his international debut in the 2014 T20 World Cup in Bangladesh and played his only one-day international against Ireland in 2017. Pakistan-Japan hold joint naval drills in Gulf of Aden on 6th October 2020. This drill aims to ensure maritime security in the region. It will further strengthen bilateral ties with Japan. Saudi Arabia calls upon citizens to boycott everything Turkish following Erdogan's statement. Erdogan accused some Gulf countries of pursuing policies that were destabilizing the region. Saudi Arabia's Chamber of Commerce head Ajlan Al-Ajlan said in a tweet that the boycott of everything Turkish, whether on the level of import, investment or tourism, is the responsibility of every Saudi trader and consumer. Relations between Saudi Arabia and Turkey have been thorny, especially since the brutal murder of Washington Post columnist Jamal Khashoggi that took place in the Saudi consulate in Istanbul in 2018. After the announcement of normalization of ties between UAE and Israel, Erdogan had warned Turkey could suspend diplomatic relations with the Gulf state in response. In second quarter of this year, Turkey was Saudi Arabia's 12th trade partner by total import value. Three physicists share Nobel Prize for Black Hole Research on 6th October 2020. named as Roger Penrose of Britain, Reinhard Genzel of Germany, and Andrea Ghez of the US. Andrea Ghez is the fourth woman to receive the Physics Prize since 1901. Shirin Jahangir, a 14-year-old British Pakistani singer, has finally reached the semi-finals of Britain's Got Talent. She is visually impaired singer and she has become the first ever British Pakistani to enter the show's semi-finals. US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo urges Quad allies to unite against Beijing. China urges US to drop Cold War mentality.